Hello, Westlake Hills homeowners. Arman here with SG Associates, your Westlake Hills experts. We're going to be covering market trends for Westlake Hills housing market Q1 2022. We saw a total of 6 new listings, which is up 16% from previous year first quarter of 5 new listings. And our average list price was at $1,350,000, which is again up 36% from previous year first quarter of $990,000. Total number of active listings was down 33% to 6 active listings first quarter this year compared to 9 active listings same quarter last year. For the first quarter of 2022, we had 4 homes closed. It was down 43% compared to 7 homes closed same quarter last year. Out of the 4 homes that closed, 1 closed off market. The average sales price was up 36% to $1,373,000 compared to $990,000 same quarter last year. That's about $383,000 in equity. So Westlake Hills homeowners, you gotta be over the moon. The average days on the market first quarter this year was 11 days compared to 29 days same quarter previous year. That means homes are selling 63% faster. Average sales price to list price ratio first quarter this year was 103% compared to 101% same quarter last year. On the average, homeowners are receiving about $43,000 over their list price. The most expensive home sold within Westlake Hills was at 2869 Wasatch Court. The home was listed at $1,450,000 and it sold $100,000 over asking price at $1,550,000. And the least expensive was at 2158 Sierra Drive, which was sold off market at $1,008,000. We normally see about 20% of the homes within Westlake Hills sell off market every year. If you're a seller or a buyer looking for opportunities in Westlake Hills or Westlake Village, we here at SG Associates are here to help and support you with your real estate needs in 2022.